I've had a problem with my Quest for a few days now where all my applications are stuck on queuing. They're queuing for download because this particular golf game is trying to install, and it's been installing for a number of days. So it took me a while to spot which application it was. This is holding up all the others from downloading any updates or downloading any further games. Now, to fix this, you can factory reset your whole Quest, or you can install an application called Sidequest, which I'll put the links in the description. Now, once you've installed Sidequest, you just literally plug your Quest into your computer using a USB lead, and then you go to Sidequest. Now, once in Sidequest, there's quite a few options. Now, at the top here on the right, you can go to all the applications on your Quest and you can access them. So we'll click on this. These are the currently installed apps. And in this box here, we're going to type in OCMS, and that will give us this particular application here. Now click on this wheel here. This allows you to do edits, and simply just go to Clear App Data. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to click on that. We should get a green bar at the bottom of the screen to say that it sent the application to the Quest. And now we can come out of Sidequest. We can then check our Quest 2, and that queue should not be queuing anymore. As you can see now, the game is ready to play. I can click on the game, I can play the game. Nothing's now waiting to queue. All my downloads are done. Everything can be updated. I've got full functionality again now. So I'll just show you the game running. I'll just click on it and we'll load the game as normal. Everything works fine, whereas before that game was stuck on installing. So as I say, it's an easier way of doing it than just using the factory reset. If you factory reset it, you tend to lose all your save games. So get Sidequest, follow these instructions, and good luck.